Can you really make money online taking surveys? We're going to talk about that here today in this video, and I want to share with you my opinions and my experience with this to really answer the question of whether this is a scam or this is a legit opportunity to make money online. And we're starting right now. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel, we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. And really, we talk about how to make money online. And so, several years ago, when I first got into, making money online, when I first became interested in it, one of the first things that I came across with was this idea of making money by taking surveys online. It was said to be this easy thing that didn't take a whole lot of effort. You could just do it and make a bunch of money with it pretty quickly here just by answering some questions and filling out some surveys. Now, my experience quickly led me to understand that this wasn't really accurate. It wasn't a good method of making money online. And so let's talk about kind of that experience of what I went through. You see, I went through and I signed up for some survey sites, and what I found is that I wasn't just answering questions, is that I was being asked to sign up for different offers. Now, I later learned that this is a type of marketing known as CPA marketing, which is short for cost per action marketing. So cost per action marketing is that if I promote an offer to you and you take action on that offer, it might be, there's multiple different types of offers. An example would be if you're interested in, for example, getting a mortgage and you fill out a form on my website to get information about mortgages, and then all of a sudden you're getting calls from a bunch of different banks and lenders all trying to sell you a mortgage. That's one type of CPA marketing, is getting you to fill out that form to get information about mortgages. Also, there's offers similar to that in like legal help and different types of things like that. So if you've ever filled out one of those forms and started getting all those calls, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That's a type of CPA marketing. Well, what these surveys was, it was a shady, sketchy way of getting people to fill out these CPA offers. So, for example, you'd go to a survey site. This is what I did. I went to a survey site and they said, hey, in order to make, say, for example, $50 or to earn an Xbox or whatever it is, in order to complete this survey, you need to sign up for, say, for example, 10 offers. If you sign up for 10 offers, then you'll get your reward. And so then what I found was there's a bunch of different offers. Some of them were things like, one thing that I signed up for during that time was an offer for a tie. So I signed up to get a tie. It was, this thing where if I wasn't happy with the tie, I could just send it back for a full refund, just pay the cost of the shipping. And then, but the thing that I wasn't aware of, that was kind of in the terms and conditions, hidden, it's not easy to find, was that if you don't send the tie back and you don't cancel the trial, they're going to automatically send you a tie every single month until you cancel. And also, there's no way to cancel the trial online. You actually have to call somebody to cancel the trial, and they're going to try to sell you on not canceling. And so there was a bunch of different offers like this, and I had to complete 10 offers to complete the survey, in order to get the payout, the reward, whatever that was. And so that's all this was. It's a bunch of different offers that you have to sign up for. And what you quickly find out is that it's hard to complete even one offer, let alone multiple, it's hard to complete one survey, let alone multiple surveys where you're seeing the same offers pop up over and over again. Now, maybe things have changed a little bit. Maybe now there really is some legitimate surveys out there that you can take without having to sign up for offers. But in my opinion, even if this does work, even if there are some offers out there, some surveys out there that are legitimate, I think this is a poor way to make money online overall. My personal opinion is that the best way to make money online is to build an audience and then sell them what they want, sell them what they need, sell them what they're looking for. So, for example, you would pick a niche market. Some people say niche, some people say niche. I don't really know how the accurate way to say it is, but it's a niche market. It's a group of people who are all interested in the same topic or the same set of topics. So, for example, here on this channel, I'm talking about how to make money online. That's my niche market, is how to make money online, and especially with specifically affiliate marketing. So if you'd like to learn how to make money online with affiliate marketing, down in the link below this video, down in the description below this video, there's a link, and that link is going to walk you through my system, my process for making money online and building passive income. Now, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's something that takes time, it takes effort, it takes consistency. But if you're willing to do that and learn about that, check out that link. And if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.